Welcome to Benditum Labs. If you are someone from internet marketing and you have some activities associated to reporting KPIs, then you'd better watch this platform. Snapshots are cover pages. It's the way you gather all your data and put a label on top. Think of snapshots like cases or briefcases where you will show all the relevant information. They don't have a big purpose, but they serve as containers. Snapshots put reports in your inbox. Usually, marketing people know who's operating his or her marketing campaigns, right? It doesn't matter if the campaign owner is in charge of his own marketing efforts or if she is outsourcing the project through agencies or freelancers, because from time to time, marketing people share reports with different colleagues. User data allows you to show who's the guy behind the marketing campaign and concedes the user and client permission to know who was operating the business in specific dates. Within this ecosystem, some entities have to control the marketing campaigns. They could be companies running marketing efforts, or agencies in charge of projects for clients, or even freelancers resolving issues. In the agency page, you need to put your organization's data, whether you belong to corporate world, to agencies, or if you're a freelancer. Let's pretend you work for an agency. In such case, you will have to report to clients. Or let's imagine you work for an international company. It's the same case because you need to send your reports to your boss. Or if you're a freelancer, you will also have several accounts and some important names. Think of the client page as a sheet to tell you who's the boss paying for the campaign project. However, clients show differences. Some companies have one single product, while others have several brands under a parent holding. In this page, you introduce with more detail the brand you are showcasing in your campaigns. These are pretty useful details because it's where the briefing information starts. No more emails, no more several files, memos, corporate IDs, PDFs, no more. This is your central hub for your brand. The products page helps you to set individual brand items related to your clients and makes things easier when tracking which brand did what thing. No marketing platform will be ready if it misses terms like target age, gender, level, language, location, industry, and all of those buzzwords that marketers like. Do you remember those emails that your boss sent you about the logo version you forgot or the hashtags they told you to include in ads but you didn't? What if you could type these notes somewhere in the brief? Later, if you have doubts, you could just go to the campaigns page and read your previous notes. The campaigns page is the core listing of all requirements and target for whoever is in charge of adjusting the campaign. I don't like the first week of the month. Usually first days for marketeers mean doing reports. It means work, getting numbers, digging in sub-accounts, creating Excel files for clients every single month. And you swear to your boss and colleagues that sooner than later you were going to fix that ugly marketing file. That you will list your KPIs and we have a good looking design for everyone. But then that was months ago. For some people, marketing report files have duplicates, different colors, patches, comments, more notes, several tabs, and of course, the super final, definitely final version file. And no one understands what those numbers mean. Let me introduce you the page search sheet. This little page asks you for some common results: source, platform, if it was branding or performance, impressions, clicks, and more. But it gives you something else: good and ready calculated KPIs. So, no more messy things. Imagine listing your efforts by month, by account, or by source. Do you remember the snapshot? Now that you have the user data, the agency information, the client products, campaigns and results, all is collected into a nice cover page. That's the snapshot. Wanna hear something cool? You can download everything and use it in Excel or your preferred platform. This marketing and sales evaluation app is a must if you are concerned about your KPIs and sales.